All right, guys, we are in Westphalia again. Again, because they just keep building. It's like 3 billion houses here. As a hyperbolic number, it's more like 3 trillion. Okay, guys, we are here with Watermark by D.R. Horton.
That's correct. And in today's video, we're focusing on the townhomes. So it's going to be a two-part series. The first, strictly townhomes. The reason why the single-family homes are still being constructed.
So sit back and relax and enjoy this gorgeous townhouse. This is Love and Real Estate.
Hey, we're the Doppos. We're married, have a family, and run a company together. We help people every day figure out this really hard and expensive thing called real estate and home ownership. Honestly, it's because buying a home was hard for us, so we became big nerds about it and wanted to explore everything about real estate and finance and how it all works. So let's see what we can learn today.
So Watermark by D.R. Horton is a vibrant community, right, located in Upper Marlboro, Maryland. And we're right in Westphalia Town Center.
Okay.
Well, the soon-to-be Westphalia Town Center is coming up.
And don't forget, we just did a video on Westphalia. Reference it right here.
That's correct. So we have 3 floor plans, right, for the townhomes, and also 3 floor plans for the singles. But again, we're focusing on the towns today.
So there are 3 models to pick from: the Lafayette, the Colombus, and the Royal.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay. We happen to be sitting inside of the Colombus right now. So go ahead and relax and enjoy the Colombus. Halfway through this video.
That's correct. We gotta be doing something right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. And we're dropping new episodes every Sunday and Thursday.
Now, if you want to take a look at this home, we have our sprinter tours coming up. The next experience. Go into our community tab to get the schedule to see when a sprinter tour is going to be in your city or county.
That's correct. Now, let's get back to the show. All right, guys, that was a quick video.
Fantastic.
And the reason why is that the builders brought us in very early, right? There's a lot still to come here. I mean, we're talking about the townhomes, we're talking about the single families, the community center. We just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek.
Now, if you are in DC, Maryland, or Northern Virginia, and you want to check out one of these units yourself, we are actually coming to Watermark with the next experience, our sprinter tours. It's happening in December and January, but if you want to get the full year schedule, just go to the community tab and you'll actually see the entire tour schedule. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for always liking and subscribing our channel. We are growing only because you guys continue to love and like us. And what else? Is that all right?
Yeah, I think you covered it, love. I mean, a lot of gratitude here. It's almost, fall, Thanksgiving,
Thanksgiving, we're giving Thanksgiving swag. I hope you guys enjoy and have a good Thanksgiving. We'll say that before we actually go away.
Well, my name is AD.
My name is Amanda.
We're taking you from house
to home. Bye.